I have made millions of dollars on YouTube at the age of 23, and here's the truth. Unlike what 99% of YouTube gurus tell you, making money on YouTube is actually quite easy. But that's a little easy for someone like me to say after I've spent 5 years of my life trying to figure out how to make a bunch of money on this platform. And no, I'm not talking about re-uploading some meditation videos. That is bullshit. If you want to make a bunch of money on YouTube, you have to do something much better. This took me 5 years to understand, which is a very long time. So let me save you 5 years of your life by giving you the only 4 viable ways to make money on YouTube. These are all timeless YouTube income sources, but I have to be honest, the faster you apply them, the more money you'll be able to make. So, unlike what many people think, you can actually make money on YouTube right away. I mean, you start today, you make money tomorrow. This first method is something that the biggest YouTubers like Mr. Beast use as well. I will reveal what this is in a bit, but first, I want to ask you a question. Would you rather start making money on YouTube tomorrow or in 6 months from now? If you answer tomorrow, then this first option is going to be perfect for you. And don't get me wrong, making money in 6 months from now with method number 3 of this video is also a great way to make money. In fact, I've made over $1 million with that alone. So your best option to make money on YouTube right away is by selling something. See, most YouTubers rely on the YouTube Partner Program to make their money. And even though you can make a lot of money with it, you're at the mercy of YouTube. If they decide you're not eligible to make money anymore, they can just turn off the button and you're in trouble. This is something that I experienced myself in December 2019. I was successfully monetizing my channel through the YouTube Partner Program until on the 6th of December, YouTube demonetized me. This demonetization would last 30 days, and 23 days later, my channel blew up. I got 400,000 views 2 days in a row, but because I was not in the partner program anymore, I made $0 from it, missing out on a few $1,000s. And that is when I learned the importance of setting up multiple income sources from YouTube traffic. See, behind all these numbers on your screen are real people watching your videos, and there's much better and bigger opportunities to monetize your viewers than making a quick buck from the advertising revenue. Mr. Beast is selling chocolate bars with his company named Feastables and has a complete merch store as well. Eric is selling Pizzafy, Preston sells merch, Ali Abdal sells a YouTube course, the Nelk Boys sell drinks, Iman Ghazi sells Educate, Big Day, glasses. I mean, that guy could sell ice to an Eskimo. The Sidemen sell merch, food, drinks, card games. But whoa, let's slow it down here, because the truth is, there's only 2 types of products that you can sell: physical and digital products. Which one you should sell depends on the content you create and the audience it attracts. You see, there's YouTubers that sell the exact same type of product, yet one of them makes millions doing it, while the other barely makes a profit. And there's one single thing that decides how much money you will make: product market fit. You have to ask yourself this question: what would truly benefit my audience? What do they really desire? To give you some ideas, here's a list of common things to sell on YouTube. The options are endless, and the beautiful part is there is no rules when it comes to this stuff. You decide the product you want to create and sell, and if the audience loves it, that's great. There's no corporate company in between that has to approve your ideas. Selling digital products can also be a great fit for you, especially if you're a small creator. Creating useful templates that will save your viewers a bunch of time is one of the best examples of how to correctly monetize your views with a digital product. This accounting video right here has 1 million views with a call to action to their digital template. With a conversion rate of only 0.5%, selling at $5, this video converted into $25,000 in sales. But to be honest, this is just the concept. There's a lot more to say when it comes to creating a product to sell to your audience. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to make a full guide for this. Next up, we have a way to make money on YouTube that, in my opinion, is one of the best ways. With this method, you will sell to your audience, but it's not your own product. Instead, you promote products from someone else and you earn a commission every time you bring in a new sale. That is called affiliate marketing, and it's responsible for around 25% of my monthly income as of right now. Simply said, affiliate marketing is you promoting a product or service from someone else, and every time someone that clicked your link buys the product, you will earn a small piece of the total sale amount. For example, every time someone clicks on my vidIQ affiliate link and checks out, I earn a small amount at no extra cost to the viewer. So, which product should you promote and which videos convert the best? See, this is where most people go wrong. They will take any product they find and they spam the link on all their YouTube videos. Instead of doing that, you should find product fit with your audience. Ideally, you find a product that your audience really needs. A great example of this would be e-commerce YouTubers that become an affiliate for Shopify. Anyone that wants to start selling online needs a platform to help with this. Shopify is the #1 platform for that, which makes it a great product to promote for YouTubers that make e-commerce videos. Jordan Welsh and AC Hampton are prime examples for this, bringing in multiple six figures in Shopify affiliate commissions. But that's going to be different for everyone. For me, my go-to affiliate product is vidIQ. It's a tool I use myself and is necessary to rank your videos #1 in the search results using my KVS strategy, which I explained in this video right here. So here's what I recommend to anyone. This works no matter what niche you're in. Find a really good product that your audience truly needs with a recurring commission affiliate program. Instead of having to find new customers over and over again to earn a new commission, with a recurring affiliate program, you will earn a commission every month from the same customer for as long as that person continues to use the product. To really put things in perspective here, let's take a look at this comparison. I will compare commissions from a non-recurring program and a recurring program. Now, to make this easy, we assume that 100% of your referrals continue to use the product. In both cases, let's say you earn a $25 commission per sale and every month you get 100 new sales. In month 1, you'll earn $2,500 in both programs. In month number 2, you will earn $2,500 in the non-recurring program and $5,000 in the recurring program. In month number 3, you will earn $2,500 again in the non-recurring program and $7,500 in the recurring program. And the more time passes, the bigger the impact is. In month 12, you will have earned $30,000 with the non-recurring program, but with the recurring program, you will have earned a total of $195,000. And every month from then on, it will continue to get better. As in month 13 after starting, with the recurring affiliate program, you will make over $30,000 in that month, even if you get 0 new sales. And this is extremely powerful. Even if YouTube bans your channel, you'll continue to make $30K a month from all the customers that you have referred to a company. Now, all of that probably sounds great to you. However, you have to find products. There's multiple ways to find products to promote. One option is to sign up on affiliate platforms like Impact, PartnerStack, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliates. On these platforms, you can find hundreds of affiliate programs to sign up for, but not every affiliate program is hosted through there. Many companies have their own affiliate program, which you can usually find by just going to their website and looking for the affiliate program button on the footer of their website. Now, you can sign up for all these platforms, you can find products you can promote, but if you don't apply winning video formats, you're not gonna make any money because you don't get views and you don't get any commissions. So let me give you the 4 video formats I have found that convert the best. There are 3 simple video formats and 1 hard video format, but let me tell you, if you nail down this harder format, you can make a lot more money in commissions. So the standard promotion campaign that I like to build exists out of the following videos: a tutorial, a review, and a comparison. These videos attract people that are already familiar with the product and they just need a final confirmation that they're making the right choice when buying this product. This is what we call end of funnel traffic. You can analyze how I did this myself with my Pictory AI tutorial and review on the channel you're watching right now. Then there's a harder video format. This is where you integrate the product you promote as a solution to the viewer's problem. I did this with my 1-hour keyword research video. I made a full course showing my viewers how to rank their video on YouTube, and then I integrated vidIQ as a solution to do that. For example, my integration video has 260,000 views. If I would have titled this simply a vidIQ tutorial, I might have been able to get only 37,000 views, like she did right here. A great way to find out which videos you can make to integrate a product is by writing down the problems your product solves. Let's take Shopify as an example. You can make videos titled Best Online Store Builder in 2024, How to Create an Online Store for Beginners, How to Start Dropshipping in 2024. None of these videos include Shopify in the title, but for all of these videos, you can integrate Shopify as the solution for the viewer. This is how Simon from Matix Media makes over $100,000 per month. On top of that, Simon makes a killing with method number 3 to make money on YouTube: ad revenue. In case you didn't know, YouTube is the best platform to directly monetize your content. If you're in the partner program, you're able to put ads on your videos and earn money with them. Every single time a viewer clicks your video, they might see an ad, and that's where you'll make a little bit of money. Per view, this isn't much, but this can add up once you start getting a lot of views. On one of my channels, I have earned over $600,000 with just the ad revenue. On another one here, I have made over $300,000. So this is definitely a good way to make a bunch of money. Just keep in mind what I said earlier, you're at the mercy of YouTube. However, if you think that you can just upload a video right now and then make money, yeah, that's not the case. In order to do that, you need to hit the requirements of having 1,000 subscribers on your channel, along with 4,000 hours of public watch time in the last 365 days. Now let's say you get to those requirements. How much does YouTube pay you per 1,000 views? Well, first of all, there's not a definite number that I can give you. This really depends on the type of videos you make. While you might make $2 per 1,000 views, there are YouTubers out there like me that know how to get paid up to $10 or even $20 per 1,000 views. Check out this video I uploaded on one of my channels. With only 140,000 views, it made over $3,500. That's $25 per 1,000 views. This is because advertisers spend different amounts to get in front of different audiences. The more money an advertiser can make by advertising on a video, the more they will be willing to spend, and then because of that, your RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, aka the amount of money you make per 1,000 views, goes up. If you're making online business content, you'll get high-paying advertisers as your audience is worth a lot to them. If you're making more general content, your RPM will likely be lower. And let me buzz this myth out, by the way. No, the country you upload from does not matter, nor decide your RPM. It's the country that your viewer is from that plays a big role, as advertisers spend more money in tier 1 countries like the US, Canada, UK, and Australia, rather than countries like India and Pakistan. And even on my own personal channel here, the amount I get paid really fluctuates per video and per season. Even the day of the week plays a big role, which is why once again, it's important for me to mention that I would not recommend relying on just the ad revenue from a channel, but rather treat it as a more than welcome bonus. But there's one more way to make money on YouTube, and even Mr. Beast does this and makes up to $3 million per video with it. I'm talking about brand deals. Simply said, this is when a brand deal pays a fee to be mentioned in your video. This can be a full dedicated video or an integration of, for example, 60 seconds. Now there's two ways to land the brand deal in my opinion. You can do outreach and email companies you like to work with. Now to be honest, it works but takes time, and in my opinion, it's not the most efficient way to do it. Instead, you can have the brands email you by putting your contact email in the description of your videos, as well as on your about page. When you do this, you'll start to receive emails. All you need to do from there is reply to the brands that you like to work with and close the deal. Which leaves this big question. How much money should you charge? Now that is a hard one. There's no one size fits all, but I can tell you this. Be careful to not undercharge. Most of these big time brands have huge marketing budgets because most big companies, they go through rounds of funding. A bunch of this funding money is meant for marketing. So in my opinion, only choose legit companies that are a fit with what you do and talk about on your channel. Then as soon as your channel starts growing, I recommend updating your prices. I recently updated mine as my business has tripled over the last 8 months, while I was still working for the same price as I did 8 months ago, which was not worth my time anymore. Now for all of these income sources goes the following. The more views you get, the more money you will make. And because of that, I've made a free 1-hour course sharing how you can rank #1 on YouTube and get a ton of views. It's just a video on my channel. It's what I use to get over 150 million views on my videos. So click on the screen right here to watch that video, and then I'll see you there.